Okay, here we are with the Jock Block Shellac, and I mentioned I have a few upgrades I want to do on this thing right away. Something very simple and very inexpensive, and I can't believe it doesn't come from factory. Right here. Check this out. Not bad for a $65,000 pickup truck. It's a plastic cap you have to pull out when you fill it up, and you have to hang on to this thing because if you set it down or if you drop it, it'll blow away, and then you're found chasing it across the parking lot of your favorite gas station. So simple solution to fix this. You get these on Amazon. It's a billet aluminum fuel cap, and there's a few different kinds on there, but I like this one because it has a grip for when you're wearing gloves. And it even has a little magnet here, so as you fill up, you can just stick it on there. So again, I put on my rubber gloves to keep the diesel fuel off my hands at the gas pump, and then I can just take that off, pop it on there, fill up the vehicle, and then when I'm done filling it up, it's just as easy as popping it back in. Installation is simple. Just remove the old cap and put the new one in, and then the kit even come with the one for the deaf as well, which will actually pop that off and swap that cap out. It'll fit in that holder as well. I'm just going to use a little screwdriver to pry up on the tab that's in there, and then that ring should pop off the old cap. I just pops out like that. Comes with a thinner O-ring if you need it, but the ones that came with it seem to fit my truck good. There you go. Perfect. Back in the hole. Now we've got the def cap back on the original holder. And it tightens in there like that. So there you go. But now it's simple. Not bad upgrade for 37 bucks Canadian. I'll post a link in the description.